Sorrento is a lovely town and a well-known tourist destination overlooking the Bay of Naples in southern Italy. It is located on the Sorrentine Peninsula with an easy access from Naples. So we're in Sorrento by the Bay of Naples, Napoli in Italian. For centuries, the town has been visited by tourists from all over Europe, among them prestigious names such as Tolstoy, Goethe, Old Byron. Antica Sartoria, tailor. Is my tailor rich? Lovely Italian style. I really like that. Frontem Joseph Archiepus Justiniani Paulus Iacusio. The cathedral is also called the Duomo. It was the seat of the bishops of the city. It was constructed at the beginning of the 11th century and rebuilt in the 15th century. Ah, what a cute little street. So narrow. Well, we just arrived here in Sorrento. What a nice little street. So, what's the name of this piazza? Piazza de Tasso. Piazza de Tasso. This is the beating heart of Sorrento, where tourists from all over the world and celebrities meet, where you can enjoy good Italian food, have a good refreshment, and continue your walk in the historical center. Felice e Baccolo. According to legend, this church was built on the ruins of a Roman temple dedicated to Jupiter. On the left-hand side here, there's an altar that belonged to the ancient Donorso family. And in the center of the nave, there's a statue of the Madonna of the Rosary on top of the high altar. Lemons. Sorrento is known for its plantations of lemons. There are limoncellos, there are sweets with lemon, everything lemon. Also lemon sorbet, delicious by the way. A beautiful viewpoint by the sea. And that's beautiful blue sea, beautiful sea, the Mediterranean hotel. Mors Immortalis. Specialty of Sorrento, I think, isn't it? Is it sweet, nice, fabulous, good,
Lollipop.
perfect? Okay. To go down and visit the Marina Grande or the Marina San Francisco, You can take a lift, which will cost you about €1, one-way ticket, but you can also go through the stairs and the tunnel. We're entering a tunnel, which must have been a fortress here. So dark. But I'm not afraid, huh? And don't fall down. And yeah, back to light. And we're still alive. Wow. Isn't it that nice? Yeah, very nice. Beach, restaurant. Yeah. Back to the beach. Car park and the Marina Grande. Marina Grande. I wonder now if it's possible to go to Positano. So yes, I'm enjoying the day. 1 o'clock, time to eat food. But first check for the prices. Yeah, to go by boat to Amalfi or Positano. Okay, that's the place to buy the tickets. So we have to come back tomorrow. It's about 40 minutes to Positano and about that to Capri. Capri, c'est fini. Ha. You know that song by Hervé Villard? Capri, c'est fini. And time to admire this beautiful pine tree typical of the region, the pine tree. Yes, what I like about Sorrento is that grid of narrow streets, lined with high-class hotels, wonderful shops, ceramic shops, souvenir shops, maroquinerie, leather workshops, all kinds of restaurants and bars where you can try a delicious limoncello or have a refreshing sorbet of lemon, which is called granite. The sedile Dominova was built between 1319 and 1344. This ancient seat was a building where the nobles and aristocracy of Sorrento gathered to discuss politics. From our hotel on the top of a hill, on the top of Sorrento, we had a magnificent view on the city, on the Vesuvius. So, of course, it was a temptation to try to take some pictures, photographs, to watch the sunset and the blue hour. It was really delicious and I really appreciated it. To take those pictures, I used my new Canon EOS R5 coupled with a lens EF 24 to 70 millimeters, equipped with a filter ND Grad 0.9.